Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and I don't know if I really cut the cord. People have been talking about cutting the cord for years, right? And you know, the idea of like getting away from traditional media distribution platforms and then going strictly online. I'm going to sit here and tell you that streaming technology has changed me fundamentally in a way that I never anticipated. I'm someone who enjoys entertainment. It's what I do to unwind, right? I watch my shows, and I watch a variety of shows. I have very eclectic tastes. They're all over the map. Not just Star Wars, even though, yes, Star Wars is kind of a favorite. I enjoy them all. I really genuinely do, and I have no problem paying for something that I enjoy. I never understood that, why people complain about paying for something they like. Do you like it? Yes. Are you willing to pay for it? No. Then do you really like it? Yeah, but I can't afford to pay for it. Fine. But understand that if you're going to get something that you want, you have to at least be willing to pay for it. Not everything is free. There's a whole different debate on YouTube Premium moving to 4K. If you want me to get into that, I will. I've been a YouTube Premium member from day one because they said, hey, you pay for this, you won't see ads on YouTube. I'm like, really? Okay. I use YouTube all the time. Granted, I never see the videos I subscribe to, but that's a different problem for a completely different video. Streaming technology has changed my life forever. I used to, much like everybody else, watch through traditional means. I grew up with television when it had like 4 PBS, ABC, NBC, CBS. And then when Fox came along, I'm like, oh my God, it's another option. And then cable, I'm like seriously, we had a dial, click, click, click. I was the remote control. My dad would whack me in the back of the head. I'd run across the room, go click, and change the channel and then run back. Maybe he didn't hit me in the back. Maybe it was more like a tap. I can't remember, honestly. Either way, I've been around for a while. I used to love film. I don't know if I enjoy movies as much anymore. I enjoy movies, Star Wars movies certainly, but I don't know. It's changed. Streaming technology, all these streaming companies, the platforms, I know they're nickel and diming us, but I'm telling you, there's a lot of good options out there, good entertainment options. And one of the better services, Apple TV Plus. Best product I think Apple has made since forever. Seriously, great show choices on Apple TV Plus. And you can watch Apple TV Plus on a Google TV, by the way. You don't need an Apple TV to watch it. You don't need a Mac to watch it, FYI. I don't think they've done a very good job with marketing that. Either way, I've got all these options at my disposal. Great entertainment. And what I've loved about this is it's given storytellers a chance to dive deeper into the stories and character development and explore and giving these stories, these arcs, room to breathe so that you can just enjoy the ride. It's more about the journey than it is the destination. And I'm telling you, this has changed me. I enjoy series so much more. And I don't mean like traditional. I can't watch traditional network series. I can't stomach them. They're written for a completely different audience. I tried watching, the Quantum Leap reboot, and I'm like, this is just so saccharine. This is just so trite, and they're spoon feeding everything to me. It's just not. This is not what I would hope that it could have been as a reboot, if you will. I mean, but I watched the classic Quantum Leap back in the day with Scott Bakula and Dean Stockwell. I think that was the actor's name. The prospect, though, of doing series on traditional networks it's been watered down by me paying for something that is just proven to be substantially better. The shows that you pay for, or that you could pay for, in my estimation, are just substantially better, especially when you're talking about story-driven entertainment. To the point where, I've watched newer films, and I'm like, everything just seems to pack dense, like, too fast, like, what is going on here? I'm not sure if the era of films, I'm not going to say is coming to an end, because it isn't. I'm not saying that movie theaters are coming to an end, because I don't think they are. But I think the need to focus on quality has never been higher, because now you're expecting I'm going to pay for it, and I'm willing to pay for something if it's giving me something in return. Netflix would be one of the first on the chopping block, because they haven't been paying attention to quality control in terms of their content, honestly, at least the stuff that I like to watch. But everything else, it spoiled me to the point where I can't watch shows that I might have used to enjoy. Can I say it that way? I might have used to enjoy. I used to enjoy at some point. I might have enjoyed them, but it's changed me. The entertainment has never been better. Films that I might have, enjoyed as a summer blockbuster just seem so poorly done, even though they're well done, well executed, just not they don't land the same as a series might do. So I think entertainment, technology has fundamentally disrupted entertainment. Fundamentally, not just in the ability to do storytelling and to tell better stories and to have better production and to have better special effects or whatever, but just the delivery mechanism by which I'm able to get entertainment. I'm not going to say it saved me money. That's never what it's been about for me. It's about trying to find something that I would enjoy, that I'm willing to pay for. And I'm telling you, thanks to streaming technology, the way that I enjoy entertainment has changed, and even the type of entertainment that I enjoy has completely changed. That's something I was not expecting to happen, and it didn't happen overnight, but I'm telling you, without technology, it wouldn't have been possible.